Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day one of our Sculpting Pilates challenge. All right, today we're doing a full body workout. You're gonna love it. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, first exercise, 30 seconds on the clock. We have a nice wide stance. We're gonna do wide side stretch. All right, so one hand is on the waist, the other one starts and comes back to a 90-degree angle. All right, stretch, stretch, stretch. You're gonna feel it here in your obliques, and then control, coming back to that 90-degree angle. All right, and not kind of seesawing back and forth. Make sure you come straight and then side and straight again. All right, we're gonna do the other side afterwards. So just focus on going to the left and then coming up straight. Very good. Control, shoulders push away from your ears. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and switch. All right, going to the right, coming back straight. Very good. All right, and you can slow this down as well if it feels really, really good. You want to hold it here in that stretch. All right, that side stretch, your obliques, that's fine. All right, if you want to speed it up a little bit, you feel warmed up already, then go ahead. All right, just make sure you are checking those posture points and good form. So your rib cage is closed. We're not splayed out like this. All right, boom. Tucking in the butt, tucking in the tummy, making sure that your spine is straight. All right, super important for back health. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Next, we have a side back runner. Alrighty, we're gonna do one side first, feet together. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna step out, back, and then run. All right, so there's the side, back, runner. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and if you want, you can start with your hands on your hips just so you kind of get that coordination. All right, side, back, runner. Side, back, runner. All right, and your standing leg stays there the entire time. That's what's supporting you. You're gonna feel it in your thighs, and then you're gonna feel it here in your core when you balance, when you do that little running step. All right, it's like a little bounce, and then run. Very good. So you're using your core muscles to balance, and that thigh muscle to keep you stable. All right, and 3, 2, 1, and other side. If you need to say it with you, side, back, run. You can do that as well. All right, so side, back, run. Side, back, run. Very good. I think the arms help me, but if they confuse you, go ahead, put them on your hips. You can even have them here. So side, back, run. Boom, boom, boom. Very good. Chin is up. Breathing. Good, nice strong core. It's gonna help you balance and it's gonna help you move. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving on to a high knee crunch to oblique crunch. I love this one. I'm gonna give you 2 variations. Big breath. That last one got me out of breath a little bit. That's good. All right, so we're gonna do high knee crunch. High knee together, and then oblique crunch. So this one I'm doing with my arms, crunch here, and then straight over here. If that's not for you today, go ahead and put your hands behind your ears. All right, you're gonna go here, and then oblique crunch. All right, so instead of doing a straight side leg, all right, we're just slowing it down a little bit, making it a little bit easier to balance. If not, challenge yourself. Boom, boom. Very good. Nice crunch here in the front. All right, we're not just bringing elbow to knee like this, we're crunching. All right, boom. Very good. And 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Other side. Let's go. Remembering to breathe. I know I sound like a broken record, but sometimes when we're really focused on something, we hold our breath, but it's so important to deliver oxygen to the muscles. So I'm here to remind you, I'm here to remind myself, I'm guilty of, forgetting to breathe sometimes. Totally natural. It takes practice. Just gotta keep reminding yourself, breathe. Make noise, fill your lungs. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And coming down, wiggling it out. Very good. Next, we have a swing switch. All right, this is fun. We're gonna be alternating legs. So hands on your hips. I want you to swing your leg forward, forward, together. And then you're switching sides. All right? Forward, forward, together. All right, and the reason I want us to alternate legs, right and then left, is so that you use your core muscles and you switch your weight. Whoop. All right, fall out, go ahead, get back in. All right, so I want you to use your core muscles to switch your weight from leg to leg. All right, this is gonna feel good on the hips. So you're stretching it out a little bit and using those core muscles to balance. If you need to bring it down here, a little bit smaller, that's fine too. It doesn't have to be all the way up here like mine. All right, you need to hold on to a wall or a chair, that's fine too, all right? You'll get stronger, more flexible, and more balanced over time. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Set number 1, done and dusted. Starting with our wide side stretch. 30 seconds, right side, let's go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Feet together, shake it out, side, back, runner. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, other side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. High knee crunch, toe oblique crunch. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, together and switch. And 3, 2, 1. And together. Very good. Wiggle it out. Swing, switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Celebrate. 2. Done and dusted. Almost there. 1 more to go. Starting with our wide side stretch. 30 seconds, right side. Let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Feet together, shake it out, side, back, runner. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, other side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Very good. High knee crunch, toe oblique crunch. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Together and switch. And 3, 2, 1. And together. Very good. Wiggle it out. Swing, switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 1 of our Sculpting Pilates challenge in the books. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite move and how excited are you for day 2 tomorrow with Coach Greg. I will see you there.